Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to talk about some of the differences between the standard filter shroud for the MAG-200 and the new 4-inch deep filter shroud, which all older MAG-200s can be upgraded to. So any MAG-200 can get this filter shroud upgrade. So one of the reasons we designed this new filter shroud upgrade is that customers asked for a faster way to change filters, to actually get at the filters, just to make maintenance quicker and easier. And I'll quick show you the difference there. First of all, on the older unit, you would have to remove 3 screws. So we have one here, one at the top, and then one on the side here to first get at the final filter. And the pad filter is located behind another cover with another 4 screws. So it took a bit of time and tools to be able to get at the filter in the standard unit. The new 4-inch deep filter, we use the same catch clamps as we have on the bottom tray, which make taking off the bottom tray so fast and easy, and incorporated them into a cover design with louvers that direct the clean air downward. Now it's simply take the cover off, pull the filter, and we also increase the size of the pad filter as well as the pleated filter, giving you far more filter life. So just way more time in between filter changes. And of course, loading is just the simple coarse side of the pad inward. Make sure that the wire framing is to the outside. Locate the cover. Get your catch clamps in the loops. And you can see how fast and easy that is to go between changing filters for the unit, along with the greater surface area in the 4-inch deep filter, giving you that longer filter life. I certainly hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.